Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create new parameter in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Modeling, New Parameter, Fields. Now let's say we create a new field, which is a combination of two measures. So let's pick up the category from here and drop it into the add. And from here, pick up the segment and drop it into this add field. We'll give the new name to it, and the new name is the combination of these two: category, segment, create. On right hand side you can see a new measure has appeared, and on the visuals you can see category and segment have appeared. Now how is it useful? Let's try to understand. We'll create a stacked column chart. Just a minute. Click on the canvas, click stacked column chart, expand it. Now on the x-axis, instead of category and segment, we will select the new measure, which is category segment. Drag it and drop it on x-axis. Now from here, select the cells and drop it here. Now just click here, category. So it gives a graph of category versus sales. And when you will click here, it is now segment versus sales. So this is how you can create new measure in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.